I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die.
What's up, y'all? Y'all already know what's going on. Yeah, I'm back with another YouTube video and today we're doing another wig review. As y'all can see, I'm already plaited down. My hair is braided under here and I got my wig cap on already. I haven't been sprayed yet or cut my ear holes out. I waited till I was on camera. So y'all, this is the bag that the wig came in today that we're gonna be reviewing. And I love these bags. So guys, I was trying to find a business name or a logo in the bag or on the paper, but there wasn't one. So if you guys want the details of this hair, I will be happy to go back to my order history and let you know exactly what I ordered. I was gonna tell y'all, but it don't say. But here's what the wig came like. It's black. I'm being basic today. Okay, y'all, so this is a 180 density, 40 inch, 360 lace Brazilian wig. So this is the wig, y'all. Really nice, really cute. Yeah. 40 inch baddie. Yeah, don't play with her. Okay, y'all, before I jump the gun too much, let me go ahead and cut out my ear holes, and then I'm gonna get spraying so I could be secure, so we can go ahead and let it wig, period. So as y'all can see, I went ahead and laid the wig down, so y'all missed a few steps. My camera had died and I thought it was still recording, so this is where we're at now. So now we're gonna go ahead and curl it and add some body to it so we not just straight and sleek. But before y'all start looking at me crazy, I did have my teeth whitening strips in. My mouth is not just big for no reason. I'm going to be using my bubble wand curler today, which is why I'm using protection and putting on my gloves.